Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add gift with purchase in Shopify. So trust me, for this functionality, I'm talking about the advanced functionality of this feature, like the gifting feature in Shopify. This is one of the most expensive feature that a developer can do. One of the most expensive, not the most expensive, but obviously a developer can charge like 3 to 4 thousand for this feature. And I tell you honestly, I have charged a lot from clients regarding this feature, but I just discovered this app and I was surprised. It is bad for the developers, to be very honest. It is bad for us as a developers. But if I tell you, this app offers all the functionalities that you can expect in the paid, like more than $2,000 code, at least $2,000. So this is a very advanced functionality, and this app has covered all that. So I was really surprised by this app, and I would highly recommend using this app if you want the gift functionality. And regarding the features, it is the cheapest you can find in the app store. And if you just hire a developer for this functionality, you will get the idea, because he will implement the functionality, but the testing phase will be very difficult. There would be some ambiguities, there would be some errors. So this is a very costly feature, but if you want to stick with the app, this is the best approach. And this is the app. I have added the link in the description of my video, and you can find the link in most of my videos as well. But specifically for this video, you can find the description. And this app is open. This app name is Gift Box, Gift with Purchase, and a nightmare for the developers. And I show you the price is $30 per month for 0 to 200 monthly store orders. Super cheap if you consider the functionality, if you know what this app actually does. And this is free for the trial store, development store, and something like this. All the features are included in the free plan. I'm using the development store, so I don't have to pay anything. But you have to pay, like if you have 0 to 200 orders, you can pay. But if you see the functionality, this is nothing, I tell you honestly. And if you have like 200 to 500 orders, you can like do the $50 per month and $70 per month. If someone is receiving like $1,000, I think this app, the functionality that it is providing, this is absolutely nothing. This is super cheap. So I think enough with the the features of this app. Let's install and click on install. So it's taking a bit longer than expected. I think it's some issue with my internet connection, but don't worry. There are issues that can happen, and you have to click on install here. So this app will be installed, and trust me, this is one of the easiest app to use. You don't have to indulge into the complexity. Otherwise, this feature is not easy at all. Trust me. If you don't trust me, you can pay me for this feature. I will do the customer for you. I have no worry about it. I'm happy to accept the payments, but I'm just trying to save you some money. Okay, so I think the app is the app is installed like the other 2.0 apps. Shopify 2.0 apps, you have to enable the app in the theme customization. This is the first step, and it is already done in my case, because I have already tested the app before making this tutorial. So you have to go into theme customization and click on app embed, and then you have to enable the app from there. This is the first step. Okay, you can do this step yourself, and you can check out my other videos of any app installation. You will get the idea. So I will not waste my time explaining this stuff. And then set up your first gift offer, and then let's set up our first gift offer. So I have already created uh, this offer, and I think uh, let's create some new gift, and let me show you how you can enable it and how it actually works. So click on create gift, and you will come across with different options. Free gift, I will only use the first feature, and you can once you understand the first feature, you can obviously implement the features without an issue. Just it is important for you to understand the first, which is free product. Give your customers a free product as a reward, because for example, if someone, you add a condition that if you spend 5,000 rupees in my store, you will get a free gift, and you can give any gift you want. And free product choice, let customer choose one free gift from multiple products to select. So you give them multiple options that you can select. They can select one gift. Another gift that you can give to your customer is free shipping. For example, if they spend again 5,000 rupees, they get free shipping and custom free gift. If you can also get any custom thing you want. But I think the best option is the first option, which is the most important. And let's try this one. So you have to click on select, and so this is like the gift box. So free product two, okay. Because I have already created a gift just for testing, so I will name it free product two, and the product will which will be given away as free gift. So you can select the product, any product you want. Trust me, this is the feature to make dynamic is too difficult. So but this app has resolved this issue. So let's select this all variants. So for example, doesn't matter the variants, you can also select any one variant. Okay, I will select all the variants, no problem. I will click on add, and you will have the option to select any variant. And gift condition, what will the gift condition? The customer spend X amount of rupees, X amount in your store, and then get the gift, or buy X product. If someone buys product A, then they will get the gift. This is the condition. Spend X in collection Y. If you want them to just spend the money in specific collection and buy any product from collection X. So you can also enable that. You If you buy just any product from the clothing section, you will get the gift. But I would add this condition, like if you spend 5,000 rupees, you get a gift. That's it. Okay. And gift quantity, how much gift you want to give? Only one gift. Okay. You're not so generous. Okay. Customize text. I don't want to customize active date. So I don't want such thing. I want to activate it just now. And I will click on save. So it is being activated. It will take a few seconds. I'm not pausing the video just to show you how it. So this is activated. That's it. You have activated the gift. And now let's go to our store and check in action. Is it working fine or not? And you will see this has got some of the best layouts you will see regarding the apps. So also you will see, if you get orders from this layout, you will see all the you will be able to see the views and sales. Very easy to implement. You can create multiple gifts if you want, based on multiple conditions. For example, you can create the gift based on the collection. You can create the gift based on the spending amount. You can create unlimited gifts, or you have to check the app in detail if you can create unlimited gifts. For now, I can give you guarantee for 10 gifts. Okay, so the store has been opened, and currently it is, the card is empty, just to show you. Okay, and for example, this product is like 2,000 rupees. Let me add like three products, and I will get the free gift, hopefully. Okay, yeah, let me add three products. I will add view card, and then okay, you got this. I have got the free gift, and I can select the variant. So I've got this gift. This is the card will be updated by this one. I'll select the variant, and as you can see, this was super easy. So I just selected the product, and I add three quantity, and it has given me the option free gift. And trust me, instead of this very boring announcement bar, you can add the option that if you spend spend 5,000 rupees and get a free gift, and customers will be engaged that we should spend like 5,000 rupees and they will get the free gift. That's it. This is how the easy functionality is. And for example, if I delete this one, the gift will be removed. That's it. So no complexity. Like still we have 5,000. Okay. Now the gift will be deleted. Hopefully, yeah. The gift is already removed in the cart. So again, there is no error in the app, and it works really smooth regarding the functionality. I've already told you this is not a very easy functionality. So sorry. So again, I do the two quantity and it will add the gift automatically now. So yes, the gift is added, and I can also change the variant. The free shipping, the collection gift, all the features will work the same way. So my purpose was to show you one gift functionality, and you will be able to implement all the functionalities yourself. So I hope the concept is clear, and let me know if there is an issue. I'll be happy to help you, and I'm leaving the link to this amazing app and gorgeous as well in the description of this video. Thank you very much.